How is everyone doing?
It's a weekend.
And it's time for a vegetarian dish. Welcome to my platform, and to all the new subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining, and also let's keep engaging on the platform. Tell me what you think about my new channel and the food content as well. Let's keep sharing. First off, today I'm preparing bananas and mushrooms, and for the mushrooms, I'm going to just chop them and set them aside. For the bananas, I'm going to peel them off. I'm going to add them into a pressure cooker, where I'm going to add some curry powder, turmeric powder, and some vegetable stock cube. And then I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to let that boil. And then I'm going to prepare some butter. This butter is going to be made through using some milk and some flour. I'm going to mix it well so that I make sure there are no lumps inside. You can use a hand mixer, whichever works best for you. And then on a separate cooking pot, I'm going to melt butter. This butter is I'm going to mix it or infuse it to the white sauce that I was preparing, and then I'm going to season this using some dry chili flakes and some black pepper, and season it with salt. And then I'm going to add in a separate container some curry leaves, some fresh chili, and some chopped onions. And then I'm going to fry this with some curry powder and add in my mushrooms. I'm going to let this cook for a couple of minutes, sweat it out, and then start adding my white sauce that I had previously prepared. I'm going to add in and mix it in small amounts until it's all completely infused. After this, I'm going to check on my bananas. They're probably cooked by now, and in this case I'm going to mash it until it's smooth and ready to serve. And after plating it, do try it out, let me know what you think, and see you on the next video.